All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. Yesterday didn't work. If you watch the second video, you'll know why on the second channel. But anyways, back to work today. Worked with an apprentice, which I'm thankful for. And we basically didn't get much done today, but we were just planning out everything for tomorrow. That includes working in this library and running and adding a few circuits. Adding a few circuits and running some low voltage there from the electrical room down the hallway down there. So I'll talk more about that tomorrow. And then running some low voltage out of the second room down here, second door on the right. Running the low voltage through this cable tray, and then across the ceiling here, probably on this beam where the other ones are coming through, which you can't see. You might have to drill a hole here at the top of the ceiling. But there's this wood ceiling in here, and it's really ridiculous. Basically, you have to unscrew everything. It's like the worst kind of drop ceiling ever. You have to unscrew it. And then lastly in here, we got another project of running 4 Cat 3s. Never even heard of Cat 3 before, but we're going to run some Cat 3 down this hallway, and then around, and then into the other low voltage room around the corner. Like I said, this is a brand new school, hasn't even opened yet, but we're just doing a few projects here to help out. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Nice and short. Try to get you guys some more video footage tomorrow. I did accidentally lock myself out of the library, otherwise I would have gone in there. So I will show you guys some more video footage of that tomorrow when we actually get something done. But there was just a lot of planning, a lot of taking stuff down, sealing tiles down, and exploring routes that we're going to do for pulling wire and pulling low voltage wire, finding the pipes and the panels that we're going to be pulling wire to, making a material list of all the materials because I'm kind of in charge of running this job site, which has been very stressful so far, even though we literally did nothing, which adds to the stress. So just trying to get stuff done, get everything, not forget anything, just trying to get it done in a fashionable time. So yeah, probably never gonna do this again because I don't know why I volunteered in the first place, but stressful, not liking it. But I guess each job site is different, and I'm not sure if I'll get, like I said, more money for this or not, running a job site or being the foreman or whatever you want to call it. So we'll see. I'm not counting on it, but anyways, yeah, working out good with the apprentice so far. We actually did pull in a couple wires down this 4-inch pipe through a string that was already there, but I think the string was wrapped around all the wires, so it was extremely tough to pull for him because he was pulling and I was feeding. But anyways, yeah, we will get some stuff done tomorrow. We're getting some materials, some pipe. We made a whole giant list of like 30 different items, so ordering all that stuff, it should be there by 8 in the morning, and then we'll go from there. So I got a new schedule from like 7 a.m. to like 3 p.m. if we're taking lunch, 3:30. So yeah, stay tuned. Give you guys some more information on that tomorrow. Show you guys what we're doing. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and it would help the channel grow. Check down below in the description for anything else like social media, video playlist, all that good stuff. Gaming, second channel, and then hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. See you tomorrow. Peace.